ናይ ትግራይ ፖለቲካሲ መሪርኒ እዩ ዘሎ እስኪ በለኒ ብእንግሊዝኛ
I am bitter with Tigrayan politics.
bitter okay መሪር ልክዒኻ ግን መሪርኒ ንምባል I am fed up with okay I'm fed up with Tigrayan politics ኢልካ ክትገልፀለይ ትኽእል ኢኻ ማለት እዩ okay ፖለቲካ ኣይምቸወኒ እስኪ በለኒ
I don't like politics.
all right I don't like so I don't like abuse ዝተገበረ ቃል እዩ ስለዚ politics is not my cup of tea okay politics is not my cup of tea ኢልና ክንገልጽ ንኽእል ኢና
Politics is not my cup of tea.
perfect okay ሓሜት ብጣዕሚ ዘጽለኒ ስለኒ ሓሜት ብጣዕሚ ዘጽለኒ
Hamid gossip.
nice gossip yeah
I don't like gossip.
I don't like gossip again I don't like na basic english ተመሊስና ኣለና ሓደ ደረጃ ሓፍ ክነብሎ እንድሕደሊና I can't stand ዝብል ቃል ክንጥቀም ንኽእል ኢና ማለት እዩ I can't stand gossip okay I can't stand gossip ክንብል ንኽእልና ማለት እዩ ስለዚ I can't stand I'm fed up with and this is not my cup of tea ትብሉኒ ነገራት ኣብ ኮመንት ኣቕምጡለይ for daily english tips ድማ ሎሚ english follow ገሩ